Today at the Old Tobacco Patch, I am making classic Southern-style potato salad. This dish is so versatile, it goes to summer barbecues, church cookouts, friends' homes when food is needed, and it makes its way to our Sunday dinner table. It is simple yet flavorful. Come with me as I pick out some freshly dug potatoes and we'll make it. Now I'm going to start out by prepping my potatoes. Today I'm using red potatoes. Red Pontiac, I believe, was the variety. And you know why? You saw that 5-gallon bucket sitting in the back of my buggy. I got a little more than a 5-gallon bucket off of one 25-foot row, and what a blessing that was. Now, to be a good steward of those blessings, I try to cook some every other day. We like to just take the small ones, brush them, get all the dirt off, and brush some of the red skin off, and then just boil them till they're tender. Serve them with a little bit of butter. They are delicious. Potatoes and onions are the first things we harvest in the spring. We planted onions 1st of November, and we've done harvested them. And we planted these potatoes on Valentine's Day, and now we've just harvested them. It's just a sign of spring. But I'll gift some of these. I may try to can a few, but my goal is for none of them to go to waste. Here's a quick view of what we like in our potato salad. Of course, potatoes. I'm going to boil some eggs. I like the sweet Vidalia onion and the red onion. We like nothing but blue plate mayonnaise in this house, so I'm going to use that. Sweet relish and some plain yellow mustard. I'll put some paprika on top for decoration. And as far as the spices, it's just, of course, your salt and pepper. Maybe some chives, maybe some parsley. We'll see. I'm going to start out by dicing up my potatoes into somewhat uniform sized pieces. That way they all get done at the same time. Now you'll notice that I like to leave some bits of red skin on some of the potatoes just for added color. Please excuse my gloved hand. I had a fire ant bite on my finger. I got several of them while I was digging potatoes. Next, I put my diced potatoes in boiling water, and just because I want to infuse a little more flavor in these potatoes, I go ahead and salt and pepper the water. Once my potatoes were fork tender, I drained them and put them in the refrigerator to chill. Now we start building our salad. You will notice I don't use exact measurements. I start with a little and I just add more of what I need. Let your taste buds lead you through this part. To the mayonnaise, I'm going to add some of my homemade sweet pickles. I also add some store-bought sweet relish just because it's a more vibrant green than the homemade pickles. Then I put just a small squirt of mustard, some Vidalia sweet onions, and some red onions. To that, I'm going to put some hard-boiled eggs, a little salt and pepper, and mix it all well. Hey, Hood. What you doing? Nothing. Oh, where'd you get that? What is that? Oh, that pool water might help too later on. Is your mama gonna come swim, you think?
I don't know, but I have my bikini in here.
You do? Look.
Keaton got hers.
Got mine on too. Then get your chilled potatoes out of the refrigerator and start folding them in. I added more sweet relish and more red onion for color. Then I gave it a taste. Frankie and Charlotte thought they needed to give it a try as well. All agreed that it tasted just right. The only thing that will change is that by tomorrow, these onions will really flavor this dish. And that's it. Really simple, really flavorful, just an easy dish to make in the summertime. Now, if we only had some barbecue or burgers or grilled ribs, but hey, you know what? I do have some fried chicken, so we are going to sit down and enjoy this chicken and potato salad lunch. I hope everyone is having a great spring and your gardens are beginning to come in. Talk to you in the next video.